Morning. Started day 2 on this landscaping project. Did quite well yesterday. Did do quite well. Just going to do a quick spin around now, just see what we've got up to, and then we'll get straight to the time lapse. As you can see now, all this patio area, which all the decking was in, that's all been taken up down to grade. Put some geotextile fabric down, and then started putting our MOT, which we can start levelling off and whackering as well. All the panels got painted, and it's made such a difference. Just a little bit of paint does make the garden look a little bit smaller, but once everything else is in as well, it'll be absolutely perfect. Fence may need another little quick coat, but we'll decide that later on once we start getting all the bits and bobs done as well. So yeah, we're winning. Not a bad day at all. Weather seems quite good as well, so fingers crossed we can keep this week looking like this and keep pushing. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and let's have a go. Good morning. Started day 3 on this landscaping project. Just getting all set up now, ready for the day. Just going to give you a quick spin around now to see what we've got up to, and we'll get straight to the time lapse. As you can see now, Ashley's just setting up the laser level, just to configure out our light levels for all the sleeper work and stuff. All the patio areas have now been MOT'd. We need to put probably about another 50 mil on all these areas, just to make sure that it's the right depths. And yeah, where the spray marks are now is just pretty much where we potentially put in the sleepers, little fire pit in this area. The water features, I'm still either going to be going there or somewhere here. We're just going to speak to the client in the next half an hour, just see what their thoughts are, just to get it in the exact right place. So yeah, we're winning, and yeah, we'll get straight to the time lapse now. See you in a bit. Morning. Start day 4 on this landscaping project. We're doing really well. It's starting to take shape. We've completely changed the design. There's meant to be quite a lot of straight lines on this one, and there probably won't be one in sight apart from the decking. Trying to do the video yesterday, and lots of the videos have just gone missing. I don't understand what's going on with my GoPro at the minute, so I have formatted it, and hopefully this will sort it, because we've missed quite a lot of progress videos on this one. But what I'll do now is give you a quick spin round, just to show you what we've been up to and what the actual plan is, because I know that that isn't on the start of the video, which is a little bit annoying. So yeah, here we go. As you can see now, we've got a really nice curved little flower bed there. It looks stunning, to be truthful. I'm really chuffed with how it turned out. Today we're going to be putting all the curved sleepers along this little pin line there, all the way along there. This section here then will be excavated out. We'll get all the MOT in there ready. Eventually we're going to have a composite decking area along there. All this section all along here will be the porcelain patio, and where these little spray marks on the floor, that will be cut into a radius. In this section here there will be a multi-feature, which will be Stackslate urn, stackslate sphere, and then one of the bottoms taken off and put into like a little spillway bowl as such. All the way along here is going to be a panel stone path. That little bench then will be put into this position, and then the panel stone path will come all the way down here, and in this corner here where the little outhouse is now, that'll be a hit and miss pergola with a bench built inside it with a fire pit. So yeah, there's a hell of a lot going on in this garden. This is still in week 1, and we're doing really well, really well, to be honest. I'm quite chuffed how the lads have pulled through on this one. So yeah, hopefully the time lapse works and we can capture all the videos. So yeah, let's get to it. Thanks for watching. Good morning. Started day 5 on this landscaping project. Yeah, we did really well yesterday, really well. The garden started to take shape. We've only been on this for 5 days and it really has came on. So what I'll do now is give you a quick spin round just to show what we got up to, and then we'll get straight to the time lapse. As you can see now, it's completely different. We've got the really nice radius sleeper bed there, all radius here, all the way around here as well. As you can see now, the garden's definitely got different elevations, which is absolutely fantastic. Did a little bit of a tree border around there just because the roots is really low, and we didn't really want to damage the tree roots too much, to be truthful. All this has been MOT'd as well, ready for compaction today. I'm potentially going to do a small little flower bed there just to give this area a little bit more detail. And yeah, we're definitely winning. So yeah, happy days, happy Friday, and let's get to it. Hello again. It's end of day 5 on this landscaping project. We've done so well. I'm actually really proud of the lads, to be honest. We've really pulled through. It's been a lovely dry week, And to be truthful, for what this garden started at Monday, it's completely transformed already. It's only week 1. We've still got 3 weeks left on this one thereabouts, but what I'll do now is give you a quick spin round now, give you a little bit of explanation, what we've actually done and what we've accomplished. And I'll be going home. So yeah, let's have a look. As you can see now, this is where the stack slate urn, stack slate sphere, and we'll turn this in some kind of a little spillway bowl, so there'll be a little bit of water coming off somewhere there, dripping down there, and then we'll do the same on the other side. We're just filling this up now just to get some water in there, just so we can test it and just to make sure there's no problems with the reservoir. All these railway sleepers have been put in here. The garden now is on actually multi-levels, which is perfect. It's exactly what we wanted. We didn't want nothing that doesn't look too boring. All that spoils there, that'll be gone on hopefully Monday or Tuesday, not too sure yet. We've got another nice little area here as well, which is absolutely beautiful. That's where the pergola will be as well, which will look really, really nice with seating and a fire pit. This is just a little bit of a viewing angle of all the curves and all the different shapes. It looks really, really nice, to be truthful. I'm really, really chuffed. I'm just going to put a bit more MOT in here to make a roughly 150mm step there, which will be absolutely perfect. That's the water feature angle there. These have got to come up probably around about another 7 to 8 inches, so there will be a lot more out of the floor, and then all this will be planted up, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous, to be truthful. So yeah, really, really happy with how this week's done. I'll take my hats off to the lads. We've really pulled through, and I know I'm kind of repeating myself, but they really have done great. So yeah, have a lovely weekend all, and yeah, I'll see you back on Monday. Have a good one. Bye bye.